All right, so you feel that you're ready to practice. So here's your first problem. 2 times the quantity 10 minus 3 times 2 squared minus 8 plus 7 times 3. So go ahead and pause the video now and try the problem, and then we'll come back and we will work through it step by step. All right, so let's go ahead and start by getting rid of that. All right. So let's take a look. We need to start with our parentheses. And so let's take a look inside here. It says that we have to take 10 minus 3 times 2. And really what we have is this micro problem in here, and so we basically need to start over and then say, okay, do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any exponents or roots? No. Do we have multiplication and division? Yes, right here. So we need to do that first. So 3 times 2 is 6. Let's subtract and drop everything else down. Like I said before, it's a good habit to get into, that you keep everything else the same and just go step by step, and it'll funnel down nicely for you. Okay, so we're still in our parentheses, and now we do addition subtraction. So 10 minus 6 is 4, and drop everything else down. Okay, and now we're done with our parentheses. There's no parentheses over here, so now we go to our exponents, which is here, 4 squared. And so 4 squared is 16, because 4 squared is basically just saying 4 times 4. All right, and we drop everything else down, plus 7 times 3. And we don't have any more exponents. Now we go to multiplication division from left to right. So here we have 2 times 16. So come over here. 16 times 2 is 2. Carry the 1. 32. Minus 8 plus 7 times 3. Okay, now if you look, we have addition subtraction here, but we still have one more set of multiplication that we need to do. So we do 7 times 3, which is 21. Drop everything else down. All right, now we are complete. We have completed the multiplication and division. So now let's come to our addition subtraction from left to right. So even though we say addition first, since we're moving from left to right, we're actually going to do this subtraction first. So we come here and we say 32 minus 8. We have to borrow here, which becomes 2. This becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. Drop down the 2. 24. Drop everything else down. And then we do the addition. 24 plus 21 is 5. 45. And we come there. And we are done. So check the answer that you found and see if it agrees with the answer that we found together. We have come to the end of another video, and it's your time to choose. So if you got it right, click on I got it right, and it'll send you to another example that you can work through. If you missed it, go ahead and click on I missed the problem. We'll work through another example, and then I'll give you another opportunity to practice order of operations.